I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to show you guys this wig that I recently purchased from a company called OUTRE. It's the OUTRE ASHANI wig, and I got it in the color number 2. This is how it looks on their website. The model looks beautiful, and I'm going to show you all how I styled it using my own natural hair as well. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Really quickly though, just in case I get any questions, I am wearing the Colourcl Aquarella Golden Ochre colored contact lenses, and I think that's it, just in case you all ask. And that's pretty much it. Let's jump right into this video. Here you go. Okay, so now for this wig, this is the OUTRE Quick Weave. You can style this in 60 seconds. And the name of the wig is the Ashani wig. And the color that I got it in is the color number 2. So here is how the wig looks in the packaging. This is how it looks up close. And I also love that it comes with step-by-step instructions as to how to care for the wig and how you can put it on. I'm going to style it in a little bit of a different way because I just like to do things differently. But my own hair, I've already shampooed, conditioned, and waited for it to air dry and then blew it out. And now for the wig, this is how it looks up close. I love it. The texture of it is very, very soft. The waves are very, very big and loose. And it gives me like old Hollywood glam type waves, which I absolutely love. Now I have also my crimper. This is my Conair. I know it's not called a crimper. I know it's called a wave iron. I have it, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna leave that to the side here, because I'm going to blend my actual hair with this hair. I'll show you how I do it. So now let's jump right into it. I am going to part my hair in, I'm gonna do a half part. I wanna like half up, half down, and then I'm gonna figure out how to, I guess I'm gonna figure out how to do the rest of like what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair. Get this out of my way. Okay. I have so many pins right here. I have like pins, I have bobby pins. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. Just give me a minute. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, and I think I'm gonna do like a little braid in the back. Nothing too fancy, nothing like too, because it's just gonna go underneath the wig anyway, so I'm not gonna do anything too fancy, but still take care of my hair. Now I'm gonna put it into a braid, and then I'm gonna try and pin it and use a stocking cap or a wig cap for the back. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3. That's good. And I'm just gonna braid my hair very loosely. It doesn't have to be fancy. Let me see, can I do it like this? I think I can. Let me try it this way. 1, 2, 3. Hard to braid your hair from the back. I don't know how some girls do it. They are really talented. Not me, honey. Like I feel the hair, so I know that it's being braided, but it's funny because like I can't see it though. Like I can't see it being braided. Let me do it this side from here, because I can see it. 2, 3, 4. It's very loose, it's very messy. I don't want it to be too anything, too neat, because I'm just gonna put it up anyway. Okay, so now that's out the way. Now I'm gonna put this wig cap on. I have like a whole bunch of these. Just to protect my hair. A wig cap helps to always protect your hair, especially when you're like putting on wigs or anything like that. So I have a whole bunch of them. Be careful with it because it is just like a stocking, so make sure you don't rip it. If you do, that's fine, just get another one. Pull your hair underneath it. Make sure I put it to the part where my natural hair is going to be out. It should be pretty good. Make sure this hair goes away. Now for the front, let me do the front of my hair now. I'm just going to put this up into a nice ponytail. So for the front, I'm just going to put it up into like a nice, I'm going to try and get it as sleek as possible. Ponytail, or I could also do like this, right? And then make sure that blends with that hair. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna take some of it out. So that this now is going to blend with the wig. I think that'll make more sense. Put this from here real quick. And put this part of my hair back here. Take this half, or this section. So I basically did a half of this half. And I'm gonna put it right here, and then put it back here. Now, for this part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this into a ponytail. I'm sure you all know how to do a sleek ponytail, so I'll like fast forward this part. Okay, so the wig also has 2 combs. I'm going to show you. 2 combs, one, and then it has one underneath, as well as a strap, just to ensure that the wig is on securely. So I'm going to put it on. Top and then the bottom. It's pretty secured. It looks so cute, right? I'm gonna comb it out some. I'll show you how it looks all together at the end. And then with this, my hair, this is gonna be the front. Let me just wrap this out the way because now I'm gonna iron the back. And now this part here, this extra hair that I'm gonna blend so that you don't see the top, like the part right here. So that's covered. Use my own hair. My hair can pretty much, I think if I use the wave, my crimper, I think it can pretty much, like pass. So I'm gonna do this section here, this section here. It'll blend really well. Actually, that part might be a little bit too much. So let me do like this. All I'm gonna do is just put the iron here for about 10 seconds and then move down the hair. Those two sides done. Now for the middle part right here, split this in two and do the same thing. And then this last section. I think that's good, and I think it should cover the part of the wig, the part at the top really well. And then of course, like, I'll make it blend more with this hair. And now for the front, ouch. I'm also gonna do the same thing, like this part here. Just do a couple waves here too. The waving iron, just so that everything blends together. It looks so cute. All right, so now for the front of my hair, I'm gonna just make sure, I'm just gonna fix it a little bit. And a little bit of hairspray. Make sure it stays down. Okay, that should be good. And for the back, I'm gonna use a little bit of oil and just like blend everything in. Blend like this hair, this hair. Yeah, I gotta pull this hair apart a little bit. And then my own hair. So it could blend well, blend better, I should say, with this hair. This hair is kind of long. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. It's kind of long. Just adding a little bit of oil to kind of keep everything like nice and shiny. And I think it helps with the hair too. Because the hair, sometimes when you're separating the hair too much, it'll get like frizzy. But I think it helps to frizz and shine. Like, look how long it is. There you see? It's pretty long. I think that is it. It's kind of heavy too. All right, now let me show you how it looks in the back and then just turn around for you guys. Okay, let me figure out how to do this so I can turn around, try and show you guys what it looks like. Like this. I think it looks so cute. I think this is a great hairstyle. I feel like even if you're just going out with some friends, whatever the case may be. See, I blended it with my own natural hair so that the top part, you can't see the top part. I love it. I love the finished result. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this hair and this hairstyle in the comment section down below. I love to hear what you all think. Let me know if you are interested in trying this Outre wig. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below, so make sure you check out the description box. That's where I'll link the website, I will link the wig and all other details and pertinent information for this hair. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I can definitely see myself wearing it anywhere. If I'm going to work, if I'm going out with friends, anywhere, I can definitely see this hairstyle. It's super quick, super fast, super easy. For me, the longest part obviously was when I had to crimp my hair using the wave iron, so that took a little bit of time, but it definitely is a very versatile wig, and you can wear it like this, half up, half down, or you can wear it like a side part or a middle part and then just blend your hair with the wig if you want. I think this is very versatile and you can wear it any way, and that's what I love about this wig. It also comes with instructions, as I mentioned, so it tells you how to care for the wig. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I'm uploading 1 day a week for now, and then I will resume to uploading 2 days a week. So for 1 day a week, it's every Wednesday. If you want to check out my previous makeup tutorial, then make sure you check out the previous video. I'll link it in the cards above and the description box down below. And that's it. Thank you all so much. I will check you out very soon. Bye.